Hey, Eric Sider here, and it's been a week, and it's time to flip the pile and collect the manure under the coop and add that to the cage. And surprisingly, the chicks have done a pretty good job deconstructing this pile, as they're still not full grown yet, and they're still learning the system. And they've pretty much all just been jumping in and out of the cage on their own. So seems to be moving along pretty well. All right, let's get into it. All right, there we go. Nice new pile. The chickens are straight onto it, getting all those good insects and other organisms that this life creation event is putting into place. Got the manure in the cage, and I'll be adding some new straw underneath the cage to capture their next round of high quality manure. One thing I forgot to mention that I'm just noticing now is in the drier climates, you're probably going to want to water the pile a couple times a week. It's just going to dry out so fast that it'll just help the process along if you can keep it moist. All right, new shirts in the shop. This one's definitely going to be my new favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.